This is why you're braiding your hair and not seeing any hair growth. I am going to tell you what you're doing wrong and what you need to do to fix it. I am 5 months post big chop. I am checking to see if my hair is long enough to braid my hair for the first time to grow my hair long. Hey there, beautiful people. It's your girl, Hair Obsessed JC, back with another hair care video that you don't want to miss. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's close to my heart. It's all about protective hairstyle. But before you click off of this video and think you've got it all figured out, let me tell you a little secret. You're not seeing any hair growth because maybe your hair is braided too tight. This sounds familiar? Have you ever rocked those stunning protective styles only to find out that your hair seems to be stuck in time, refusing to grow? Well, my friends, you're not alone, and today you're going to learn what to do about it. Picture this. Your hair is tucked away nicely beneath your gorgeous extensions or braids, but what's happening underneath? Some of us are neglecting your natural hair while it's tucked away, and that can lead to a whole bunch of problems. For example, it can cause dryness. Dryness leads to breakage. Dryness leads to scalp issues like dandruff simply because you did not keep your hair hydrated under the braids. Let me know in the comments if that sounds like you. Check out my hair journey. In this video, I am 5 months post big chop. I am rocking these fabulous box braids as my go-to style for some serious hair growth. But here is the kicker. It's not just about slapping on some braids and calling it a day. You can't braid it and forget it. The secret sauce to making your protective style work for you in order for you to see more hair growth is moisture. Moisture and more moisture. Yes, you heard it right. While those styles might shield your hair from the elements, they can also take or suck the moisture right out of your hair strands if you don't have a proper routine in place. But don't fret. Regular moisturizing routines with leave-in conditioners or natural oils are the key to keeping your hair hydrated and happy growing. And let's not forget about the scalp. Girls, it's at the foundation of healthy hair growth. So grab yourself a mist like this and treat your scalp to some love. Trust me, your hair will thank you. I like doing this once or twice a week, depending on how my hair feels. Are you still here watching? Remember to like the video and share it with someone who needs it. Let me know in the comments where you're watching me from. So there you have it, lovelies. Protective hairstyles can be a game changer for your hair journey, but only if you show your hair TLC it deserves underneath. Remember to moisturize, nourish, and pamper your hair and watch your hair flourish like never before. Keep away from tight braids and put in place a simple routine like this one in this video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more hair care videos like this one. Until next time, stay fabulous, stay curly, and hair obsessed. Adios.